This is a 2005 Toyota Prius. I did my brakes, and what happens now when I get in my car and start it up, I have this going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that. We're going to be using a paper clip, and we're going to be jumping. We'll be jumping our OBD2 connector here. I usually have an automatic in there, and it has not told me that there's any codes. I've even scanned it, and there are no codes. So this is something that I'm going to have to do manually with paper clip. All right, so you can see the orientation of this. We're going to come down here, and we're going to do 4 pins. Yeah, it's too bright. There we go. We're going to do 4 pins from the left and 4 pins from the right. And it's going to be those 2. Can you see those okay? See if I can zoom in. I can't zoom in this way, so. You can see 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4. The other side, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the pin's in there. So go ahead and put your foot on the brake. Turn on the car. Press it 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagnostic check pops on. That flashes. Turn off the car.
Rear view camera disconnected.
Remove that. Brake on. Turn it on like you normally do. And there we go. All the lights are turned off. And the only thing that we're going to have to do is reset the maintenance minder. Alright, so with my foot off the brake, I'm going to hold down the trip, the odometer, and press this twice. Oh, we gotta change that trip to the odometer. Let's try that again. Press and hold this twice. Foot off the brake, and you can see the buttons going across there, and the maintenance minder should be off. With my foot on the brake, pressing the power button, that turns on the car, and there we go. All lights are off, and that's how you do it.
Continuous recording will now start.
Love dash cams. Have a great day. Hope this helped.